Good morning. Hope you're having a terrific morning. Dude, I was messing up my shot. Sheesh. Hope you're having a great morning. We are about to head out to go visit, I think she's my second cousin. But she's really good friends with my grandmother, and we always try to visit her at least once every year, usually during the summer, because everyone's schedules are, you know, not as crazy. Randy actually is going this year and he's never been before, so that's kind of exciting. But it's just gonna be my mom, Randy, my grandmother, and myself. We're gonna go to up to North Alabama and visit them. They have a lot of land and chicken farms, and they used to have animals, but I'm not sure they have animals anymore. I don't know, we'll see. I hope you guys are having a good morning so far.
Those two will hold about as much as these four down there.
Wow, that helped with the crops. How does it help the crops?
Helps the crop. Helps ammonia nitrate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pesticide.
Ammonia nitrate makes it green, makes it
Okay.
fertilizer analysis.
Okay.
Then we compost our birds and make fertilizer out of them, or mortality, or birds that die. That's full of house, get 10 this little plant, get a full house. See both ways. So you got them step soft, gas.
What?
Smaller, because
You okay?
they get bigger. Press one of those nipples down there, right on there. Just pick up on it with your finger. No,
right here?
back this way, right here.
Right here?
Yeah, just pick up on that.
Is that water? Oh wow.
Nipple, water.
And they know to come to that?
You better believe it. Look down through there.
That's incredible.
Day one. This is really cool.
Hey!
Keep arrow.
Say no, run away!
You can't believe it now. You look at them and then you come back in 5 or 6 weeks and look at them.
And they're like that tall.
When they get up there big,
Yeah.
make the skillet stink.
They're all on that side now. And they're running for life.
There's the tall. They make some racket right here.
Uh-huh.
That's where it's going.
Yep. You ever seen this much chicken?
Never seen some chicken. I like to eat chicken, but I've never seen this much. So, as you saw, we are at a chicken farm. And it's our 100th vlog, so why not do something special for you guys? We're at a chicken farm. It's incredible. These are all new chicks. He's getting more chicks in tomorrow.
Yeah. How many did he say?
He said 100,000.
But it's more like 40,000.
It's more like 40,000. Either way, it's a lot of chickens. So, look at all of these. There's so many chickens.
So many chicks! And they're all chipping.
Look at this little pocket right here.
They're like, don't come near us.
No.
Run, he's coming close! Run! Because you're scary. You're a giant.
I am, I guess.
It smells really bad.
Look
But it smells worse when the chicks are grown.
Hey!
Hey, chick.
Someday you are going to be someone's McNuggets.
He's like, no. Don't tell him lies. It's the truth.
I may eat that chicken one day. How cool would that be?
He hasn't spent a whole lot of time in the country. You need a baby duck. They're really cute.
Look at this little guy. I should name him Prince Albert.
Oh, Prince Albert, baby, don't name your food.
Alright, Prince, you may go back.
He's like, thank you. Run away. He's gonna poop on you.
Probably. This is really cool though. Everything is automated. Like when the chickens are fed, how much air they receive, and the water, their alarm system. So if it's wrong, he calls you. It's really cool. This is pretty advanced technology. It's not just a chicken house. This is pretty cool. I'm very impressed.
When it gets 85, 88 degrees, you set the temperature on that controller down there. Then your board's open. Water starts circulating down this way.
Oh.
If it's 85 outside, you can get 75 inside.
That's incredible because water runs down through the cold water.
Through there and chills it.
Wow, that's
chills the air there.
Right.
Put it down.
Okay.
And it'll map that field like 100 acres. Make one trip around it. Then you go back. It takes 90 feet wide.
Wow.
And it will not overlap.
Wow.
If you get a little bit over it where it's already sprayed, those tips will cut off.
Really? It's that sensitive. That's incredible.
In there. Runs in the hopper. When the chickens eats it down, a limit switch at the end of the feed line, it automatically kicks on. Keeps them fed automatically.
We're about to climb this.
At that initial step.
Well.
Yeah. How was that?
This is as far as I'm going. Climbing to the very top.
Wow.
Is it crazy?
Yeah, incredible.
See all the corn. That is a lot of corn, and that's not even all of it. They have like 2,000 acres planted of corn, just kind of spread out throughout this area. That's a long way down. That's a long way down. That's their house. That's where my mom and my grandmother are visiting with his second cousin.
We're on top of the silo. Sorry for the wind. I'm sure it's loud. But this view is really nice. But it's nicer from up there. That one looks like a bit more of a strenuous climb though. Heights!
We pull up on a hole right in front of the truck counter.
Right.
We pull up and unload.
Oh.
We can set by wheel which bin we want the grain to pull in. We want in a little bin, big bin, far bin.
Gotcha.
It automatically puts it in there.
Wow, that's really cool.
While it's got this deep ground, it shoots that nitrogen down into the ground out of this tanker right here. Those tanks on the side of the tractor. See how clean that is?
Yeah, it's clean.
On the nitrate. Oh, too much money.
Right.
So, when we get full up,
Where are you going? Oh, Wilson. I'm not telling anybody if you won't.
I could sleep here and let you sleep in Papa's bed.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. It was really cool. It's definitely a different way of life, and but it's really cool. I enjoyed it.
It is.
Yep, a lot of different smells.
Yeah. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah. They were telling us while y'all were gone. The girls decided last year that they wanted to raise money for St. Jude's Hospital. So
Uh-huh.
they put on a little dance and stuff, and they raised $2,800.
What?
Wow.
And took it to St. Jude's.
That is so sweet.
That's incredible.
I love that family.
Those are the smelliest right there.
The big
These are the
ones.
newer
Yeah.
ones.
Well, because they're big chickens, aren't they?
Well, I think they just emptied them out.
Oh, okay.
I think that they just
It was
moved
really
out
smelly.
the chickens because there
Notice I didn't get out at that one because I knew.
That's the ones that I saw last time, and it's all, computerized.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's
Oh,
very,
yeah.
very fancy. Real nice.
Real nice, real nice. You like the countryside?
It's not bad. I like it.
And that's where I grew up. That's changed a lot too. My big red barn,
Look at that magnolia.
ivory house. That was nice of them to give us a fern, to give you a fern. It's huge.
Look at all the grasshoppers.
Oh.
They grow to be big boys.
They're evil.
Carry you some home with you?
No, no way. You keep them here
Well, why not?
because they grow to be huge and obnoxious.
Yeah, they do.
Big old grasshoppers.
They
They grow
are.
to be about this long.
They do though. They really do. They're huge.
Missed the chicken farm already. If you guys stick around long enough, 200 videos, maybe we'll take you to a cow farm.
Oh, moo! That would be moo-tastic.
Mootastic.
Yeah, and the chicken farm it was clucktastic.
Okay. Wow, there's some really dense fog and weather and rain. I don't know how we're gonna get through this, guys. I can't turn on my windshield wipers. Just kidding. We're getting a car wash. We're back in Birmingham.
Oh, it's a monster.
We match.
That's true. It's a scary monster.
Scary. This is a scary matching monster.
Yeah.
So we were getting a car wash because this tree decided to rain down berries on our white car.
Yeah, poop berries on our car.
Yeah.
So we came out of the car right before we were leaving for small group, and it was covered in red. And so we were like, "This is gonna stink. We need to get this off."
Yeah. So that's what we're doing. Yeet, whoa.
It's darkness.
Looks like little fingers.
Gross.
That is gross. So as soon as this is done, we'll go to small group.
You look really cute, by the way.
Oh, thanks. You look very pretty.
Oh, thanks. Clear coat protector.
That's incredible.
It is.
I don't know if we paid for that.
Oh well, I mean, I'm not complaining.
I'm not either. I am shine.
That's a giant monster. What's it gonna do to us?
I don't think we're using it.
Okay, good.
We didn't pay for that.
Okay, we didn't pay for that. What would it do? It looks kind of scary.
You could probably dry this off really quick. Oh look, this thing is gonna do our wheels over here.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Really?
Is there one on that side?
I don't see it.
Hey guys, we are home from our small group and now it is time for bed. I wanted to check before I went to bed if we were at 1,000 subscribers yet because that would have been so cool to have 1,000 subscribers on our 100th vlog day. But sadly something is wrong with YouTube and it hasn't updated since earlier this morning, and so I don't know. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. But I just thought it would have been cool if that would have happened. Oh well, let you know some other time. Hope you guys have a great night and I hope you've enjoyed this 100th vlog. Hopefully it's been pretty cool. Got to see a chicken house farm thing and some silos. So from the top of them, some awesome farmland. Hopefully it was good. So we'll talk to you guys later. God bless.